Now let's see the second part of the factor theorem. Okay, this theorem is very useful in the factorization of polynomials of degree higher than 2. Okay, by using this theorem, the linear factor of the polynomials may be obtained. Okay, before this, when we factorize polynomial quadratic, okay, we can solve using calculator or of course calculator can. But I mean here, not using calculator for the quadratic, we can use. I'm not sure whether you are using which one. Okay, but for me, when I'm high school, I'm using tic-tac-toe actually. Okay, tic-tac-toe. I'm not sure you are familiar or not. Okay, tic-tac-toe like this. Okay, so I think this is old-fashioned. When we solve the quadratic, we have this factorized, right? For example, x plus 1, x minus 1. So I got this one from this method actually. Okay, so we can use this method for quadratic. But how we want to factorize when we are using polynomial for x to the power of 5, x to the power of 4. Okay, so we can try. Okay, we can use try and error or use long division method to obtain all the factor. Let's see the example 9. Okay, factorize the following polynomial completely. So we want to factorize this polynomial x to the power of 4. Okay, of course, using calculator we can, but how to use manually, okay? So one of the method is we are try and error, okay? So how to solve? We see at the constant at the back here, 24. Okay, so we have to consider, use the factor of the constant. Okay, so for the constant, for factor of the constant, okay, so we consider as a positive negative 1, okay, positive negative 2, okay, and then positive negative 3, and last one is positive negative 6, okay. This is a factor of the 24. So I think that you are familiar because you learn from high school about the factor, right? Okay, so we try first if x equal to 1. Okay, so when we substitute the value of 1 inside this polynomial, we can get 0. So that means x minus 1 is one of the factor. Okay, remember when we write in terms of the factor, so x minus 1. Okay, so when we substitute the value x equal to 1, you got 0. That means x minus 1 is a one of the factor. The value of 1. So I'm not showing here because when you substitute the value of 1, you can not getting 0. So that means 1 is not the factor. Okay, and then we proceed when we substitute x equal to negative 2. Okay, so when we substitute, we can get the answer is 0. Okay, so that means x plus 2 is also one of the factor. Okay, so now you can actually try one by one. Okay, you can try x equal to 2, x equal to negative 3, and then you can get for a full of the factorized. Okay, but here I'm showing you after you try an error, you also can further with long division. So before this, you got x minus 1, and then this one x plus 2. Okay, and then you expand this one. Okay, you expand, you can get x squared plus 2, sorry, plus x minus 2, and then you can use the long division. Now we continue, okay, to use the long division. Okay, so we put down this polynomial. So remember, because we don't have x cubed, so we have to put here as a 0x cubed, and then divide by this one. Okay, so remember to solve the long division, we have to divide, times, minus, and then put down. Okay, remember the step. It's very important to you understand and know how to use the long division. Okay, first, x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed. Okay, so you can get x squared here. And then x squared here times with this one. So we can get x to the power of 4 plus x cubed minus 2x squared. Okay, and then minus. Okay, you can get negative x cubed. Okay, and then you can get 13x squared minus. Okay, after that, you put down here negative 10x, right? Okay, after that, this one divided by x squared. So negative x cubed divided by x squared, you can get negative x. Okay, so I made a mistake here. Should be negative x. Okay, and then you multiply by here. Okay, you can get negative x cubed minus x squared plus 2x. Okay, and then you minus here, you can get this answer, negative 12x squared minus 12x, and then put down 24. Okay, and then repeat again, negative 12x squared divided by x squared, you can get negative 12. Okay, here. Okay, and this one, okay, negative 12x squared minus 12x plus 24. Okay, that means uh, factorize of fx here. Okay, you can get this one. Okay, this one is x squared plus x minus 2. We can simplify as x minus 1, x plus 2, and also this one. Okay, so I made mistake here. Should be minus. Okay, x squared minus x minus 12. And here also can simplify into this one. Okay, x plus 3, x minus 4. Now let me show how to solve the exercise 12. Factorize the following polynomial completely. Okay, so we are using try and error and then long division. Okay, so like before, we have to consider the constant here. So that's mean try and error. For number 6 here means we can put as a positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, positive negative 6. Okay, I forgot to mention before, so I'm showing you how to solve previously when the constant is 24. Okay, so the factor of the 24 actually not anti-6, right? It also can consider 12, 24, but I stop until the 6 only because actually when we consider trial and error, we just consider the smallest value. Okay, we need to start with negative positive 1, and then we consider positive negative 2, and then positive negative 3. Okay, mostly we are using the smallest number. Okay, so for this one, actually you have to show one by one. Okay, what is the answer when you put x equal to 1, x equal to negative 1. But this video, I just show that which number I got 0. Okay, the first one is, okay, if x equal to 1. Okay, so when we substitute the value of 1, okay, 1 to the power of 4 plus 6, 1, 3, plus 6, 1 square minus 7, 1, minus 6. So when you solve this one, you get 0. Right, so that's mean here, okay, x minus 1 is 1 of the factor. Okay, so actually you have to show x negative 1. Okay, so when the answer is not is 0, that means it's not factor. Okay, okay, maybe I can show you the number is not equal to 1. Okay, maybe I show you x equal to 2. Okay, what is the answer when we put as a 2? So f2 equal to 4 plus 6, 2 cube plus 6, 2 square minus 7, 2 minus 6. Okay, when you solve this one, you got not 0. Okay, and that means here x minus 2 is not 1 of the factor. Okay, so this example when we substitute the value of x is not equal to 0. So that means it's not one of the factor. Okay, the next number actually x equal to negative 2. So if you put x equal to negative 2, okay, so this one plus 6 negative 2 square minus 7 negative 2 minus 6, you get the answer is 0. So that's mean we can say that x plus 2 is one of the factor. Okay, now we factorize the following polynomial completely. using the long division. For this, you get the factor is x minus 1, and then you have to multiply by x minus 2. Okay, and then when you expand, you can get x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, so we are using the long division. X power 4 plus 6x cubed plus 6x squared minus 7x minus 6. Okay, divide by x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, so remember using long division method, divide times minus put down. Okay, so x to the power of 4 divided by x squared. Here we can get x squared. Okay, x squared times this one, you can get x to the power of 4 plus x cubed. Okay, and then minus 2x squared. Okay, and then minus, you can get 5x cubed plus 8x squared, and then put down here. Okay, repeat the process. 5x cubed here divided by x squared. Okay, you can get plus 5x. Okay, and then times with this one, you can get 5x cubed plus 5x squared minus 10x. Okay, and then minus, okay, you can get 3x squared, okay, plus 3x. Okay, and then put down here, minus 6. Okay, and then the last one, 3x squared here, divided by x squared, you can get 3. So you can get 3x squared plus 3x minus 6, right? So the answer is 0. Okay, so that's mean the factor here is, okay, here 1, 2, okay, x minus 1, x minus 2, and this one, okay, x squared plus 5x plus 3, okay, and then factorize here. So you can get x minus 1, x minus 2, but, sorry, this one we cannot factorize, right? Okay, so we can get x squared plus 5x plus 3. Okay, forgot to mention here, when we try to factorize here, we cannot get the answer. So this is maintained as a x squared plus 5x plus 3.